Hey you guys, it's Rachel, and I'm going to be teaching you guys today how to access CINC and how to make just some really basic changes to your profile in CINC and thus changing your website. So again, I'm under your apps, everything in the one login page, and I'm going to come over here to this tab right here and click on CINC. Once I'm here, it's going to take me to the home page of CINC, and from here I can access a bunch of stuff, but most importantly, I can access my website. So let's say that there's some inaccurate information on your website that you want to change. You can't actually change it from your website. Unless it's a page that you've added and you've designed yourself, then you can go ahead and do it that way. But when it comes to stuff like your license number, or if your Facebook link isn't working for some reason, all of that stuff is changed actually here in the home page. You go up to this your little icon up here and you just click on profile. Now, if it's something like your email or your name, you can see these things are blocked off here. If you need to change those for any reason, just feel free to reach out to Robin or myself, and we're happy to do that for you. But those little things, for some reason, you guys can't change yourself. Same, it looks like here for me, like my business phone, can't change that. I can, however, change, my address. So if I wanted to add in the Tacoma address as well, I could do that here. I can change my picture. I can change my bio or my time zone or anything like that. The languages I speak. This is a really important feature if you're using CINC for any of your emailing. Obviously, you guys, I would think, know what my email signature looks like by now. It usually looks like this. I'm just going to go ahead and take those out just to show you guys that it will change it. And then I click OK. All right. And it doesn't necessarily look like that when I actually go and email someone, but sometimes it's just a little funky with the display page. One of the most important things I would think would be the social media. And if you're ever having problems just scrolling and finding it, I can click on the tabs up here and it'll take me directly to what I'm looking for. These are probably the most important, especially for our agents. So you can add in your Facebook URL or your Instagram URL, your LinkedIn, Twitter, YouTube, all sorts of stuff, your TikTok even. So all I would do is go to my Facebook page that I want, like the home page that I want people looking at. And then I would copy that URL from Facebook and then just paste it in there. Now, when I come up to the top, I'm just going to click Save and Close. And that's really how you make basic changes. Like I said, if something is wrong, like your Facebook link isn't working on your website, you can't change that from your website. You have to come into this homepage on CINC and you can change it. Once you have put in the correct Facebook URL, your website that link will automatically start working for you. So if you guys have any questions about CINC, if you want us to go more in depth with it, we definitely can. Just reach out to Robin or myself. If we want to make another video on this, we will. But for the time being, any questions, comments, concerns, any trouble you guys are having with CINC, just reach out to Robin or myself and we're happy to help. All right, that's it for today. Have a good rest of your day, guys.